Guys, this is JSer. How's everything going? In this video, it's again about an easy problem 252 meeting rooms. We're given an array of meeting times intervals consisting of start and end times. Determine if a person could attend all meetings. Like there's a meeting from 0 to 30. There's a meeting from 5 to 10. Then there's an overlapping, right? So this person could not attend all meetings. Of course, you can just quit at some specific time and join another. That's not allowed here. And for 710 to file 4, it's not overlapping, so it's possible. Well, so the basic idea, I think it's obvious. We just to check if there are some overlapping intervals, right? To check if in an interval to check all the intervals, I think we better sort it up. Like we have interval like this. If we sort it, we may have something like this, right? If there's no overlapping, it would be something like this, and then or something within another interval. So we could, after we sort it, we could just check if the first one and the second one, if they have this half overlap. If not, then the first one we could just pop it from the array, right? Yeah. So let's do it. So the idea is sort first, loop through the intervals, and check against a previous one. We mean adjacent intervals. Well, so actually we don't need to pop the array, just use the index to check against the previous one. Cool. So I think we need two util functions, only one, which is overlapping interval 1, interval 2. How can we be sure that they are overlapping? Well, the only case that they are not overlapping would be interval 1's. The end of interval 1 is smaller than interval 2's start, right? Or interval 1 start is bigger than interval 2's end. This is only two cases. Okay, one. That they are not overlapping, so we return the a false value of it. So we're not this overlapping works now. Then we need to do what? We sort, right? So we sort interval by aligning their start index, start number. So sort A and B, we return A0 smaller than B0. So it will be sorted with the start time. Cool. Now we traverse through the move through the intervals. Start from the 1, right? Because the first one will not have any overlapping with the previous one. I smaller than start and end I plus plus. If it's overlapping with the previous one, then we just return false. It's we cannot attend all the meetings, and then we return true, right? I think this should work. It's an easy problem. Let's see the time complexity. Oh, what? True. I see. So the equal is not overlapping. Right. So for time, we've sorted. So it's O log n, and plus the for loop here. So it's this. In total, it's n log n space. We don't use any extra space, so it's constant. Cool. That's all for this one. I hope it helps. See you next time. Bye bye.